Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope that you are doing great by the grace of Almighty God. So, in this morning time, I'm here at one of my uncle's field, vegetable field. As you can see, back of me, one of my uncles over here. Now he is watering on his field. As you can see, the water is flowing. Look in front of me. The water is flowing on this drain, and look, the water is flowing on the drain, and it's going into this brinjal field. And look, I'm standing here in this site. There are some onion and garlic over there. Look back of me, look in front of me. There are some garlic plants, and look over there, there are some onion plants. And look in this side, there are some green chili plants over here. Look, there are so much green chili plants over here. So actually I'm recording this video only for my English practicing purpose. I'm an English learner, so that's why every single day I try to make video and try to practice my English language. And this video I'm recording for only my English practicing purpose. So dear friends, if you want to learn English language, you should practice your English, unless you can't be able to speak in English fluently. So this is my one kind of request. So if you want to learn English language, if you want to speak in English fluently, don't try to speak English in front of people or in front of anybody. So dear friends, I hope that you got my point. So bye for now. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning. Have a good day.